It's likely a sign of the times we're currently living in. Even headphones now have health properties. Yep, that's the new prospect behind a new set of truly wireless earbuds from LG. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com for Best Buy Canada's blog, and LG's TONE Free, model number HBS-FN6, have an innovative self-cleaning technology feature. Now, what exactly does that mean? How well does it work? And almost as important, how do these sound? We're going to cover it all in this review. An early heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give us a sub, because it does help us keep making more videos that we hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from.
LG's new compact, truly wireless earbuds come with a sleek, round charging case. Their shiny design with glossy panels on the buds belies what LG says is supreme durability. Plus, these are also splash resistant. These earbuds are similar to the HBS-FN4 model, but that one is missing the UV sanitizing.
When it comes to setup and pairing, these couldn't be any easier. The first time you pop them in your ears, they're automatically going to be in pairing mode. Just head to your phone's Bluetooth menu and you can tap to connect. Now let's dig into this self-cleaning innovation feature right away, since it is very unique. This is the first time I've ever seen this feature in headphones of any kind. And with the global pandemic, we are all hyper-conscious of things like bacteria and viruses, so a pair of headphones that can clean themselves, the time is probably just right for these now.
These earbuds boast an industry-first UV Nano charging case that LG says eliminates 99.9% of bacteria on the part of the earbud closest to your inner ear. Just by placing these earbuds in their case for about 10 minutes, a UV light will clean and sanitize the buds. A pretty interesting feature as we navigate through this new normal.
LG also says that frequent usage of earbuds can cause a buildup of bacteria that can lead to things like ear infections. So the company's unique UV nanotechnology promises that the Tone Free are going to be the most hygienic earbuds on the market, and that they'll significantly reduce levels of residual bacteria.
Now, you may think you can sort of see this at work. When you open the case, there's a glowing blue LED light. But nope, that's not it.
The UV LED function works only when the charging cradle is actually connected to the power cable. The blue light on the inside is a non-functioning mood light that appears when the charging cradle lid is open. LG's actual UV LED light is invisible, and it's only activated when the cradle is closed with the earbuds inside and when this is all plugged in. So does this work? Sadly, I have no way to verify this claim, though I would love to be able to ship these off to a microbiology lab for before and after testing, so I'm going to have to take LG's word for it. But UV light sanitization is used in plenty of places, and you can definitely read more about it and judge for yourself.
These LG tone-free earbuds have what's called Meridian technology. That's a British audio company that's an authority on digital signal processing and audio engineering, and LG partnered with them on these earbuds to deliver high-quality audio. So how do they sound?
I can say these sound great. They're super clear and very well balanced with good bass, if the bass is maybe a little on the softer side, but you do get a lot of detail in the music. I listened to a variety of music on these headphones, and pretty much everything sounded really great. By the way, you can check out my test playlist on Spotify to see what I listened to on these. I'll make sure it is linked up below. I did also use these for phone calls and Zoom meetings, and they worked extremely well.
These earbuds also have Ambient Mode.
You're likely by now familiar with Ambient Mode in headphones. While noise cancellation is a feature which uses digital signals to block out outside noise to keep it from bleeding into your headphones, Ambient Mode digitally lets some ambient noise into the earphones while still playing your music and while keeping the buds in your ears. This feature does indeed let you hear around you, and it's handy for people like joggers or cyclists, or just folks who need to stay attuned to their surroundings, maybe during a workout. The ambient mode option on these is easy as pie to turn on and off. A short press on the left earbud turns it on or off. The sounds coming in with the LG tone-free ambient mode did sound a bit hollow and kind of strange, but you're not focused on that anyway. You're focused on your music or your podcasts or your calls, so that is less important what the actual ambient sound sounds like. But either way, you're not going to have any near misses at crosswalks. You won't accidentally ignore a friend in the street. You can definitely stay alert to your environment even when you're lost in your music.
Let's talk battery life. The LG tone-free wireless earbuds have 21 hours of total battery life when using this charging case.
You get an average of 6 hours of earbud life on the earbuds themselves, plus an additional 15 hours from the charging case. And that is pretty standard on most true wireless earbuds that are coming out these days. These also have fast charging, which gives you 1 whole hour of playback after just 5 minutes of use.
Plus, you can charge them wirelessly on your Qi charging pad. Blue, purple, or red lights on the case give you battery level at a glance. Tone-free earbuds are IPX4 rated, meaning they can withstand the weather, as the splash-resistant technology protects from water droplets in any direction.
These are one of the few earbuds I've reviewed in a long time that I really feel are made for women's ears as opposed to men's. The buds themselves are small and compact, they are sleek, and they're delicate. They look elegant and not at all like a giant wine cork poking out from your ear like some other earbuds I've tried on recently. They also don't fill up your ear concha uncomfortably. Despite their smaller profile, the variety of silicone ear tips lets you get a good noise isolating fit. These are definitely on my top 5 list of most comfortable headphones of 2020. The LG Tone Free buds have automatic ear detection and they do connect quickly. The earbuds will pair with your phone as soon as they sense contact with your ears, and they'll automatically pause music when you remove one or both. Again, this feature worked just great in my testing. The touch controls also work well on these earbuds, and there's not an overwhelming amount of options, so there are no complicated or confusing tap sequences to execute them. You can tap either bud for play pause, double tap to adjust volume. You can touch and hold to start or stop ambient mode. I am indeed a happy camper when it comes to connectivity as well. I was able to walk all over my home, which is about 1,000 square feet, without a single dropout, putting walls between myself and my smartphone as well. Nothing was able to beat these. And when you're using the LG Tone Free to watch videos, I noticed absolutely no sync issues and no audio-video lag. Overall, I think we have a winner here. I am really impressed by the LG Tone Free wireless earbuds, and I think they are one of the best headphones of 2020. From the great audio quality to the sleek and delicate design, the addition of ambient mode and easy touch controls, these are the total package. I do like the idea also of the UV cleansing, not because I'm worried so much about ear infections, but just because of the amount we're always touching everything, including our smartphones and our headphones, with potentially dirty hands. You can't be too careful. Now, while I can't prove the UV cleaning is actually working, I guess in this case, we're erring on the side of caution. Downsides when it comes to these earbuds, they are a little touch sensitive, I would say. If I needed to make any adjustments to the fit, it would often activate the play pause feature. And it would be nice if these had digital noise cancellation to take them from amazing to outstanding. Overall, though, I can definitely recommend the LG Tone Free wireless earbuds if you are looking for a new set of multitasking, truly wireless headphones. The LG Tone Free model HBS-FN6 with UV cleaning sells for about $199 Canadian, and you can get them from Best Buy. If you want to read more about these, head over to blog.bestbuy.ca, where we've posted a full write-up. You can ask us any questions you have about these headphones, either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and give us a sub, since it does help us keep making more videos that we hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can catch me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at Erin LYYC. You can also find me through Facebook at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.